So how do we go about this taking everything out business? Well, my friends, it's time to roll up our sleeves, grab some boxes or bins, and prepare for the great workspace excavation. We're talking a deep dive, a thorough exploration into the depths of your workspace. No drawer left unopened, no shelf left unturned. Start by clearing off a designated area, a table, the floor, whatever space you can spare. This will be your sorting ground, your organizational battle station. Now, with the heart of an explorer and the determination of a warrior, begin removing everything from your workspace. Yes, I mean everything. Tools, equipment, materials, stationery, that half-eaten bag of chips you've been saving for a special occasion. Spoiler alert, it's not getting any fresher. Everything must go. Think of it like a temporary relocation program for your belongings. They'll thank you for it later.